This is the Bubble Bash application. Now this game reminds me of Bubble Bobble, the classic game, but this adds a bit more twist to it. So we can tell that it uses a little bit of the accelerometer. Show you the options real quick. So whenever you first open up this application, it asks you if you want to use the game music or your own music. So if you put game music on, it'll use the soundtrack for this game. If you use your music, it'll actually pull from your library and play. So we have release on fire, release on tap. So my only gripe about this is the aiming. Now on the aiming, it's up here. Now if you keep your thumb way up here, it's not that bad. You can actually see where your arrow is. But if it's down here, you can barely see. Can mess you up at sometimes. I would rather like to see them be able to change it down here, where you can rotate it back from down here. Let's tally up our score, giving us our bonus. So we have our pause menu up at the top right. So now I was a big fan of this game when I was a kid. It's nice to see it on here. So it has multiple levels. The more levels you do, the harder it gets, of course. And the more levels that you unlock as it goes on. Now we can go on to level 2. You see it's getting a little bit harder. So it's like Bubble Bobble, but with some twists, with some bonuses, a little bit extra to make it just that much more interesting. That is the Bubble Bash application.